Welcome to JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today will be a comparison video between two Rolex Datejust 31 models, the previous generation pink dial with diamond set hour marks on a Jubilee bracelet, model number 178271, and the newer generation on a chocolate dial, diamond set hour marks also on a Jubilee bracelet, model number 278271. For the purposes of this video, the previous generation watch will be referred to as pink, while the newer generation will be referred to as chocolate, as those are the easiest to distinguish features for both of these watches. Keep that in mind as we go forth with this comparison. These two models are both at 31 millimeters in diameter, finger to thumb, 36.5 millimeters lug to lug, and 11 millimeters thick, both made with oyster steel and Everose gold for strength and elegance in equal measure. The architecture for both of these is the same, with the monoblock middle case, with a screw-down case back and winding crown to ensure waterproofness of 100 meters or 330 feet below sea level. Both have the same style bezels, same bracelets, both in Everose gold, to accent the case and the outer links, respectively. Both have the concealed folding crown clasp, which serves to keep the clasp hidden for a clean presentation. The only difference here between these two models is actually the movement. The pink has the 2235 movement at 19.7 millimeters in diameter, height of 6 millimeters, frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, with seconds hacking and date with quickset features, 31 joules, all allowing for about 50 hours of power reserve from a full wind. The chocolate, however, has the updated 2236 movement at 20 millimeters in diameter, vibrations per hour of also 28,800 vibrations, also with seconds hacking and date with quickset features, also with 31 joules, allowing for 55 hours of power reserve. Overall, the difference for most of us who don't need the technical details is the power reserve. Pink has 50 hours, chocolate has 55 hours. Only really a 5-hour difference when it comes down to it, but those 5 hours are nearly a fifth of a day, or nearly a third of most of our waking hours per day. Those extra 5 hours could be the difference between you waking up and knowing the time, or not knowing the time, depending on your model. That is, unless you have a watch winder, in which case the point is essentially pointless. But one thing I should point out is that the dial color and the configuration selection does vary from one generation to another, so perhaps you might like those older generations for the aesthetic difference not offered by the newer generation. Or you could prefer to have those extra 5 hours of power reserve for that peace of mind that your timepiece will be keeping track of time so you don't have to. But looking at the technical details, knowing that the newer movement, the 2236, is actually slightly larger than that of the 2235, it comes down to a game of millimeters or even micrometers. Just understanding that Rolex puts in so much effort to perfect their movements that actually moving to a larger size movement actually does make the engineering slightly different, slightly more complex, a little and much more difficult when moving from smaller to larger. So keep that in mind if you are keeping these both in your shopping list. So let us know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, as it really helps our channel out. Be sure to share this video with anybody looking for their next watch or needs to compare the older model with that of the newer model. Honestly, not that much of a difference, just power. Power is the main difference here. And obviously better engineering. Excellent engineering with slightly better engineering. But, you know, these are two Rolex models. They will last a lifetime. So, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. And don't forget, if you want either of these, or just one of these, or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.